On today's video, we're gonna take this craft stick and we're going to place it one like that, another one like that. We're gonna make like an hexagon like that. So we're just gonna make the shape of it like that. Once we make the shape of it, another way that you guys can do it, just draw it and then place a stick like that. We're gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it into place. So we're gonna continue putting hot glue and then attaching the stick like that until we do all sizes of the stick like that. Then after we attach the whole thing, we're going to take another one and place it inside. And here we're going to take like 5 stick and we're going to continue attaching it like that until we make it a little bit bigger. So we're going to stack it up like this one. Then after that, we're going to continue doing that until we do the whole thing like this one. Then I'm going to take this cardstock paper, glitter cardstock paper, and I'm going to trace it out the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace it out with a pencil. And I'm also going to trace it out in the outside like that. So then once you guys trace it out like that with a pencil, we're gonna grab one of this little knife, like a cutting knife. First, just grab the scissor because we gotta cut out the outside of the shape of the paper like that. So just go ahead and continue cutting it out with the scissor, and then we're gonna take this cutting knife and we're going to cut the inside of the paper like that. Just put it through it and it should come out pretty easily. So it gives you this paper stock like that. And then put some hot glue around it, and we're going to attach the paper stock like that right on top of there like that. Then after that, we're gonna take another piece of paper and we're gonna place it at the inside like that. So we're gonna place it like that just to see how big we need to cut it. So then just mark it down like that, and then just gonna take the same piece of paper and just cut the line like that until you make it the same size of the inside. Then put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it in the inside. So we're gonna continue doing this until we attach the whole thing all the way around it with the cardstock paper. Then after you guys attach the whole thing in the inside, I'm gonna take another little stick and I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then put it right at the bottom part like that. So once you do that, you place it like that, I'm going to take the light, like a little string light, and attach it to the bottom part like that. Then after you guys attach it, I'm gonna take the other one and we're gonna cover up around it. But because we placed the light, make sure you're gonna do this. You're gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then attach the cable of the light like that. Attach it into place before you put the cord stack. Listen to what I'm saying. You have to attach the light before you put the paper stacks. Then go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue in the thing like that. And then after you guys attach it a little bit, you're gonna take a hole punch and you're gonna make a hole right in the middle where you see the light, and you're gonna place the light outside like that. So you're gonna place it inside and then place it like that. Take the whole thing out. Then once you do that, you will attach there. You see how I'm struggling to put the cable? That's why you have to attach the cable first, and then you put the cardstock, and then you put some hot glue around there, and then just attach the cardstock like that. So we're going to continue doing that, making a hole and putting the little string light like that until we do the whole thing all the way around it. Once you do the whole thing all the way around it like this one, I'm gonna use this little like ring wrap. I'm gonna cut it into one little string like that. So then just go ahead and cut a long little strip, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to place it right there so we can see where we see like the little cardstock that you can show like little white. So I don't like it how that shows, so I'm gonna put this rhinestone around it like that. Once you put the rhinestone around it, you're gonna put it also in the other side like that. So we're gonna place it like this. Then once you do all of them, I'm gonna put a little bit of the hot glue on the light, and then I'm going to attach the light like that. Make sure to hold the light into place so it can attach. So if not, it's going to come off. So put a little bit of hot glue and then hold it, and it will give you like this one with all the lights. I'm gonna take this round mirror and place it right in there on top. Then after that, I'm gonna put flowers around it in there like that, and I'm also gonna put um a little bit of flower on the top as well. I'm gonna touch it with a little bit of hot glue as well. Then I'm gonna take this small picture frame, but we're not gonna use the picture frame. We're gonna use just a little glass from the picture frame, like this one. This is what we're going to use. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little rhinestone that we used before. We're gonna cut it as well into one little string, and we're going to place it around the glass in the picture frame glass like that. So just go ahead and attach it into place until you do the whole thing all the way around it. Then I'm gonna take this little dot, like this little glue dot. I'm gonna place it in a number 2. Here's just to put the number sign, whatever table, the number sign of the table, you're gonna place it right in there like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take the little string as well and place it in the middle like that in the back of the number 2, so you won't see it. Just attaching to hold it into place like that. Then after that, we're gonna just go ahead and place it like that, hanging from the centerpiece like that. Just put a little bit of hot glue. You could tie it as well. It's up to you how you guys want to attach it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so beautiful that you guys can do at home. Either way that you guys decided to do, I think this is a great centerpiece for any party decorations idea. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this little glass, and we're gonna make a lot of these together because we're gonna make a big wall. So we're gonna go ahead and spray paint them in gold so it can look super cute. So just go ahead and spray paint them all. Then I'm gonna take my little plate that I spray painted in gold as well, and we're going to attach it with a spray. So just go ahead and grab a little bit of the hot glue, place it at the bottom part like that, and then after that we're going to attach it to like that. Make sure to put enough hot glue because this needs to be hold it down very good because we're gonna place more of this around it. So for this one, I'm just gonna put the number two in there that we just did. I'm gonna place it right in the middle, or you can hang it in the top. It's up to you how you guys want to display it. Then I'm gonna take these cute little leaves like greenery, and I'm gonna place it on the top. Here, make sure you put a little bit of hot glue, hold it down into it, attach, and then put the flowers in there. Put a little bit more hot glue just to hold it into place. And then I'm gonna put a greenery in the other sides as well, like that. And then I'm gonna add more flower to the top, like that. Just make sure to attach it with hot glue and hold it down. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy that you guys can do. I think either way that you guys decided to do, or whatever party you decide or wedding you decided to use it, it will look super cute. Now for the next idea, we're gonna grab the same thing that we did before, but we're gonna grab a few more of these, and we're gonna put hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue. This is what's gonna hold it into place. You can use other weight, other glue to attach it into place. Then just go ahead and hold it down in there until it attach. Then we're gonna take another one, and we're gonna place some hot glue in that side and the other side because we're gonna need it for the bottom and also to attach to the side. So just go ahead and put enough hot glue and then attach it in there. You could use like wood glue for to attach this for better attachment so it won't fall apart. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue putting glue. Make sure to use other glues for better attachment. Then I'm gonna take the mirror that we did it before. So I have this marker that you could write on glass. Then I'm gonna write the name, the number of the table, and the people that's gonna be on that table. And then I'm just gonna place it in there. I mean, my handwriting is not that great, but I'm pretty sure you guys can do a better job than me. And if you don't know how to write, just have someone else write it down for you. Either way, it's gonna look good. And then just place fill it up with all the little glass that you guys did until you fill out the whole thing around it. Once you fill out the whole thing around it, I'm gonna to put some hot glue and attach flowers on the top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, but at the same time super cute. I love how this one turns out, you guys. I think this will look a great decoration and a great display. So just give it a try and let me know how yours turns out. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab two of these picture frames. I'm only gonna use one, but I'm just gonna take one of this floral foam, circle floral foam. I'm gonna make a hole, put a little bit of hot glue in there, and then put the picture frame inside, and then hold it into place into it attached in there. Then put more hot glue around it as well, and then take more floral foam and place it inside. This is the key that is gonna hold the centerpiece into place. Put in the hot glue and attaching more floral foam. Then after that, put a little bit of hot glue, take these round mirrors, and this is just to give it weight and place it at the bottom. Then go ahead and grab your flower and fill it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.